This is a video chart presentation of Torex Gold Resources. Torex trades on the Toronto Stock Exchange under the ticker TXG. Nice move over the last year from down around 85 cents up to set up a resistance right around $1.70, maybe slightly below. You can see it's a very tough spot. Trying to punch through it through Friday's close. Actually hit a high of $1.72 and pulled back to close at 167. Nice liquidity, 5 million shares traded. Trading over top of the 50 and 20-day moving averages. We just want to pay attention to this, see if it's got some more gas in it, and if it can take out this top, and then on any pullback, hold that old resistance point as a new level of support. Nice look to the MACD. Bullish cross. MACD passing through this pink line, the signal line, holding above zero, all indicative of a bullish trend. It's also allowed the MACD to reset. There's plenty of room for some more upside to lend to a strengthening bullish trend. Slow stow. Actually curled back downward a little bit. That will happen a lot of times with long upper shadows. If the stock was closing near the high of the day, that slow stow would not be turning back down like that. But overall, on the upper half of the indicator, showing a growing momentum in the chart, and something that we want to see to show bullishness. Going along with that, the money flow index, 14 is now pushing up near 80, again indicative of a very bullish chart. RSI, the 14, up at 67. Again, generally holding the upper half, showing that the bulls have been holding control of momentum. A break above 70 is what momentum traders refer to as the power zone. And in this case, for a breakout, that's actually what we'd like to see to show that there's a lot of interest in the stock. Now what we'll be looking for is a close above this $1.70 mark. And then on any pullback, in classic TA fashion, see that resistance turn into support. And even if the stock wanted to run sideways a little bit, maybe even dip modestly below it, to down around this $1.65 level that was so difficult to move above, that would be just fine. Continue to make the higher highs, make the higher lows, and put this chart basically into a breakout without more resistance in sight until this $1.99 mark. If the chart did want to pull back immediately, it would be losing a little bit of its appeal. And keep in mind there's a nice support down here around $1.50, and again another support actually up tucked in through here around $1.55. And that would be the level I'd actually be looking for to hold, because the 50-day moving average right now is at about $1.56. And I want to see this chart try and break out by bouncing and riding this 50-day and make a stronger move. It certainly has the volume behind it. As I mentioned, 5 million shares traded. The stock typically trades with pretty strong liquidity. But here recently on these two strong green days, you can see the volume came pouring in. And on this potential breakout, we definitely want to see volume stay strong. Overall though, nice looking chart, nice uptrend, looking like it's going to try and move and challenge these one-year highs. And with that, it's one to keep an eye on to see how it performs. But as always, it's merely my interpretation of the TXG chart. I'm not a financial consultant, strongly encourage you to do your own proper due diligence. Consult with a qualified financial advisor before making any investment decisions. Past performance is not a guarantee of future results. Please visit the allpennystocks.com website to view the full disclaimer disclosure, and do not base any investment decisions upon any material found on the website and/or this video chart. No person employed by All Penny Stocks is a registered investment advisor or licensed broker-dealer. Thank you for watching. Trade smart.